you very much, Merc.
What? What is this?
Yo, you're bro.
Is this my present? Is this a wrapped dumbbell? It's a Christmas present.
Oh my god, listen to the caption. It says, my place is a little barren right now, but I wanted to keep the holiday spirit. Plus, it smells nice. I hope it's a Switch.
It's...
Wait, what does it say?
What does it say? It's car freshener. You could call it a CeresFreshener. At least I smell nice. At least I smell nice.
I'm sorry, this is beautiful. This is beautiful.
She's broken. It's not even her Christmas tree. She's broken.
Oh my god, my face hurts. Just imagine this in the corner of an empty
I'm
room.
trying to figure out what's going on here. You're like painting or something?
I think they might.
What is it hanging from?
Oh my god.
Are you okay? Have you recovered? Are you going to survive? Babe, you have to make it. We're not to 2022 yet. You have to make it to the new year. Just hold on a little longer.
Oh my god. It's a PS5. Oh my god, guys. I can't. No more. I can't. Oh my god. Next
Yo,
week.
I just ordered a PS5 from eBay and it just got here. I'm gonna unbox it and see what it is. How it turned out.
Wait, seriously?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's a joke about how sometimes sometimes on eBay people sell things and they say it's a PS5 but it's not actually a PS5 and then you get it. But whoever showed up and it looked like a dumbbell but it was all wrapped up, but it obviously can't be a PS5 because the PS5 can't fit inside a shape of a dumbbell. But the joke is that you bought it anyway and you think, oh, it's my PS5.
I see.
That's a joke. It's a very good joke.
Oh. It went zoom. Sorry, another.
Zoom flop.
It went zoom flop. Zoom flop. Oh no. Thank you so. Whoa, my eyeballs. What's happening?